Disclaimer: this video is going to be super long, so you can directly jump where you want. Like a girl saying I want a new haircut, I wanted to make some change on my bedroom. Tonight, it's my birthday. So I'm going to cook galette and crepes, but I need to go to the K Market to buy some ingredients. Look at this price. The long drink is €4 and you get so many milk choices. And after that I needed to wait until something was ready.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Right now you can see the fear in the eyes, and my speech was really terrible. That was a tripod. Such a sad kid. This is supposed to be tiramisu. And I skipped the club.
Alright, end of the day. I feel so fucking tired. It's like 4 AM or something. I've had a pretty good birthday day.
My neighbor is the cutest. I love you, stranger. I just missed my bus. I went to the wrong coach station. I'm going to Helsinki to see my pen friend that I got from high school, and so I think that's gonna be great to see him again 3 years later. It's 7:20 and it's already nighttime here. In Finland, people always respect green lights. Always. It's weird. I need to fucking run. I'm so fucking late and I already missed one bus. I love this day. Woo! I broke my camera. Something weird is happening. I don't really remember what I was saying, but it was something like, it's really cold. There is no one in Helsinki. I'm so sorry, but I just peed in this shit. Game over. Let's do a Helsinki city tour. This is Tampelokio, Monolithic church and expressionist, was built in 1969. Mannerheim was a war hero, a Finnish president, and he was voted best Finn of all time. So I guess he's famous. This is the really famous Lutheran cathedral. This is the presidential palace. And this one is the beautiful Uusbeki Cathedral. This is the Esplanade. They're already hyped for the Eurobasket. Well, a Nazi beat up a young kid, and now everyone's putting flowers. I don't wanna live without your love. I had let it go to waste. I don't wanna live without your love. Drag it to an open, shred it in a million pieces. Chapel of Silence is just about silence. There's no religion. This is so Finnish. Alright. My day in Helsinki is almost over, so I'm gonna go back home. It was good and cold as well. Good and cold. Definitely worth the visit.
What if I could change, if you could save me, so find a way to miss 1,000 times. So I don't wanna live without you.
Oh man, it feels so good to be home. Oh, you missed me, Tampere.
Tell you what you want.
So Helsinki is expensive compared to Tampere. Buildings are nice. You can do it in one day. That's my itinerary for the day.
To change it, I can look the other way. I seem to remember how it felt to be crushed.
I just got back. I need to pack my stuff to Stockholm right now.
Just in case it disappears. Let's go to Stockholm. Cause if you're alone, how can I save you?
Keep going. Keep going. I'm almost there. Bram is known as the piece of shit now, guys.
Never long enough. Never.
Fucking sake! I was the best guy so far. I'm fucking idiot, man.
We finally arrived in Helsinki. Let's take the boat.
It seems hard, so. And I would just sit in my car, listening to distant alarms go.
That's a little room. We have 4 people sleeping in it.
Feeling the weight of the world. It's nothing compared to the long road. It seems hard, so hard. Cause if you're alone, how can I save you? I'll find a way to
You are a photographer here?
I can't even focus on my sandwich.
save me. So find a way to miss 1,000 times.
We are sleeping under the cars. We're so poor. Look at this shot size, oh my god. Alright, we just arrived in Stockholm after 12 hours boat. But now we only got 5s to visit. This is the charming old city. I need to go to an H&M in Sweden. They got so much money, man.
This man alive, I've been told, but yourselves a diamond, finally getting paid.
The city hall.
Silence, they're afraid. Concentrate on violence, it works, it can get you so far. End up feeling worse, it's cold, and you're left with no one.
GoPro on the floor to get time lapse.
Where your heart had no room, loving with your heart.
So I got 1 hour left to go in the old city.
Loving with your heart becomes. Remember when my hands they turn blue, Loving what your heart becomes. I love the way you hang with no fruit. Loving what your heart becomes.
No photography, thug life.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
Jean-Michel Jarre.
What your heart becomes. How we get light out here in LA. Tryna be the man.
So Stockholm is really nice. You get there's a really romantic center, a nice hipster area. You can do it in 3 days. People are nice, and that was my itinerary for 5 hours.
Going to work.
Say hello to Selmy Oki.
Digging in the dirt gets old, and you're left with no one.
They put this Finnish song every time in every club.
Loving what your heart becomes. Even when you smile, you still cruel. Loving what your heart.
I think I'm a little bit like boat sick.
Just arrived in Tampere. I'm going to take a huge shower. I wanted to say a big thank you if you wish me my birthday or not. Like the video if you enjoy it, and subscribe de puta madre.